What every Social Security disability applicant with narcolepsy needs to know about a residual functional capacity form. Now, the Social Security Administration is going to look at your medical records, and they're going to try to determine whether you can do sedentary work, light work, medium work, or heavy work, because they're ultimately going to determine at step 4 if you can go back to the lightest job you held in the 15 years before you became disabled, and at step 5 if there's other work you can do in the mythical, not real world national economy. What's key here is a residual functional capacity form, because if they can't figure it out, the Social Security Administration is going to send you to a consultative exam doctor who's going to say you can do light or sedentary work. That's going to mean a claims denial. You want an RFC form that's going to address how far you can walk, how much you can lift, how much you can do in terms of stooping, bending in an 8-hour day, what problems you might have being around machinery, what symptoms you have and how those symptoms impact your ability to function, whether you have limitations on your ability to drive, whether you've got sleepiness and fatigue because of your symptoms and how that would impact your ability to function, whether you have to take unscheduled breaks, whether you have problems concentrating, whether you have any complications from medication, whether you have good days and bad days, how many days per month would you miss, do you have problems, as I've said, staying on task because of medication side effects or the narcolepsy, or because you have problems with depression or anxiety. Now, this isn't an exhaustive list of all the questions that you'll see on a narcolepsy residual functional capacity form, but you can see having an explanation of what you can do physically, cognitively, and emotionally is the key to winning your case. Many cases are lost because the applicant didn't get an RFC form, the right form, or their doctor wouldn't complete a form. And that's a problem when your medical records just don't speak to these types of issues. These are just some of the reasons why you should have an experienced Social Security disability attorney such as myself to help you get your benefits. Call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation.